These are spicy serrano peppers, but you could just put in regular peppers or jalapenos, or don't use any at all. Put in some mushrooms. It could be any kind of mushrooms, but look at these! You can dice up any kind of squash, like this one, or this one, or half of this one. This is about 2 handfuls of pork, but you can use any type of meat you want or no meat at all. It's just diced very tinily. Look at it, so cute. We put salt and pepper on our meat, so do the same. You can use firm or medium firm tofu.
I'm going to smash the tofu. Here we go. Smash, smash, smash. Smash. Ta-da!
My mom said that this soybean paste brand is the best one there is. For this recipe, the most important thing is to have good quality doenjang or soybean paste.
고춧가루. 고춧가루. Just a little bit. Yes. But you could keep simmering. Okay, make it.
Okay, we can also make Deonjang JJigae or stew by just adding water. Water, 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 water. Actually, more water, I think. You could always simmer it down. Give it a little stir, and then boil it on high, and then when it starts to boil, put it to medium to simmer. Taste it a little bit to see if you need to simmer it more. Done. Okay, we didn't have enough of this, so we're gonna add a little bit of penne, which has a different cooking time. Oops. So we'll add this first. It takes longer. After boiling the penne for 2 minutes, I'll add this one. These wiggly boys will be done in 9 minutes, but use whatever pasta you have. Okay, let's check this wiggly guy. It's al dente. Leave a little bit of water. Put the heat on medium. Now to make it a little creamy, since the doenjang is a little salty, I'm gonna add like a spoon or 2 of milk. So after tasting it, it's still a little bit bland for our liking. So we're gonna add 1 more scoop. Should be great now. Should be good. This is called talle, but if you don't have talle, this just add some green onions. Alrighty. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Deonjang pasta.
김밥 먹을래?
Okay.
하나?